Alright guys, this one now from Very Dark Man. In this video, you need to pay attention to it. What Very Dark Man is talking about. You know, say, even on this our platform, I don't fit talk similar things. Very Dark Man carry map, he carry a comment, can't let us know that the insecurity that is currently happening in Benue State, we shouldn't think is going to end there. It's already gradually circulating, it's spreading, it's spreading. Yes, especially for those of us who always say, you not consign me, you not consign me, you not consign me. Because if we cannot fight what is happening right now in Benue State, God forbid, make a journal, God forbid these things. It might get to your own state, even though you and I know it's already getting to our states. But I'd like us to listen to what Very Dark Man have to say this morning. Let's watch this together, guys.
All right, so Nigerians, I want to show you something so that you understand what we are facing, right? Now, I didn't want to make this post because I don't want to cause panic within Nigerians, but the way the thing they go, with just few more states, will be completely, totally surrounded by the herdsmen. Just few more states. So, when I need to understand how deep this insecurity don't finish this country. Do you understand? So, pay attention. Now, this is a diagram of the Nigerian map. On this diagram, you will notice some red circles. This diagram will show us the attack that Nigeria has suffered since 1997 to 2015 alone. Now, from the map, you will notice these red circles. These small circles represent the amount of people where we don't lose for those regions. The amounts, those small circles represent 0 to 30 persons. And the big circle represents 120 to 150 persons. Now, if you notice, these red circles, they across the whole Nigerian map, apart from one place. And that one place, now KB State. This was between 1997 to 2015. Now, only KB State, they no attack. But guess what? In present day, they don't attack KB State multiple times. This news, now just this year alone, multiple times they have been attacked. That's number one. Now, let's quickly go to the kidnappings where it don't happen across the whole 36 states so that you can understand how messed up our security day and how surrounded we are. Now, if you notice this map again, this is a Nigerian map. You can notice this red. This one a kidnapping where don't happen between 2022 and 2023 alone. Just 2022, just in the space of 1 year. In the space of 1 year, so that you can understand. Now, look the map where you go see say states like Zamfara don't suffer over 700 persons were kidnapped. You go see Kaduna 690. But the one where you go notice be say all the states where they for our map between 1 year they kidnap person from there. So we are pretty much surrounded. Do you understand? Now let's come back to Benue State. This thing will happen for Benue State no start today. At all. 2018 alone, there was a mass burial in Benue. This protest where youth come protest now, they don't protest now before, they don't burn tire. Do you understand? So it not just start today. So this one go beyond just fights. This not be fights. This not be say people they drag land. There's something going on. Now, this is how you know that there's something going on. Let me bring you to the map of Nigeria. And you will now see the place that have been affected. You see the area that have been affected. Then you notice that slowly, and just few places remain. They don't take over. Let's start with the northeast region. Yobe, Borno, Gombe, Adamawa, Taraba, Bauchi, all these places, herdsmen don't attack them. All the side for the northeast region, herdsmen don't attack them. Now let's go to the northwest region. Jigawa, Kano, Katsina, Kaduna, Zamfara, all these places. KB, all these places, they don't attack them. Now, these people don't they come down. They don't enter the northeast region, and they already don't dominate the northeast region because Plateau Jos, they see the attack up to today. Benue, they see the attack up to today. But guess Nasarawa, they see the attack up to today. Abuja, they don't attack. NAIJA State, they don't attack. Kwara, they don't attack. Kogi, few reports of attacking Kogi. They go down. From Benue State now, Benue State takes you to Enugu. And they have been attacking Enugu, even just 2 days ago. Even as this Benue thing, the trend, they attack Enugu. So you see, they don't come down now. They don't attack Enugu. Ebonyi State, they see the fights there. And there have been multiple attacks as well in Ebonyi State. Now, Cross River State, there's a video that came out 2 days ago when Cross River people, they say Fulani must go. I be Herdsmen, but Fulani, they say Fulani must go, sha. Say that then they attack their people. Say they don't already carry out attack. You see, Abi? Do you understand? So they don't go Cross River. Now, very, very soon, after Cross River now, I didn't even talk, say, even Bayelsa, they don't enter Bayelsa. They don't knock Bayelsa. Edo people, they don't knock Edo State. So the states now where remain, where they never, Imo states have been accounted too in Imo. Anambra states have also been attacked. In like 2021, 2022, they attacked Anambra, so they enter Anambra. Delta states, they never really get attacked like that. Edo State, they don't attack Edo State. Ondo State, they don't attack Ondo State. So the main states now where we say they never really get accounts, they never get scores. Now Lagos, Ogun, Oshun, Oyo. So you see the amount of states where remain, they don't even reach 7. So we are pretty much surrounded. Insecurity don't sink us deep. Like this, we are the mercies of herdsmen. So if we are not very, very careful, they could wipe us all clean. They are coming for us. They are coming for everyone. So when things like this happen, and they see a lot of youths, they talk, say, they don't fit come our states. May they try for here. May they try for here. They're there everywhere, bro. They are preparing for everybody. They never just come, boah. But they come. So you have to really be vigilant. They are coming for all of us. You have to be vigilant. And there's nobody to protect us. Because apparently, it seems like, say, like say even government no feel really do much. So we need to join hands with the government by protecting ourselves. If you don't want to organize vigilantes, we want to organize vigilantes. Even if not all made, we want to make for the vigilantes, make the whole arm. Some people say, if they carry gun, now give all these communities, may they protect themselves. Say the communities, they'll go, they do highway robbery. They'll go, they buy people. Listen to me. If you calculate all the highway robbery where don't happen for this country, you know reach one state where herdsmen don't buy. I would rather say they get highway robbery. Say they stop you, they snatch your car, they carry your motor, go. Than these herdsmen attack where they go on for Nigeria, where they'll go burn over 200 people alive, where they'll go do all these things, all these atrocities, all this barbaricness. I would rather say they snatch properties. So if you are scared, say, oh yeah, if they harm vigilantes, if they start with the let guns, if they do the problem, So Nigerians, we need to protect ourselves, else we will learn, and we will learn the hard way. Don't play. Don't play.
My saddest moment at this particular time is that majority of Nigerian youth, our power is on social media. We don't have power on ground. And it's very, very sad. We are folding our arms for terrorists to knock on our doors and buy our people. It's very, very, very sad. I'm not sure when we will wake up to stand against these ongoing atrocities, killings, and all that. But what do I know? This is NAIJA Watch Media. Join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's continue to talk about things that's affecting you and I. Take care, guys.